Okay, let's see if this one is an authentic Italian food.
Let's see, right?
Nice and fresh cherry tomato. Well done.
Good start.
I love the skills of cutting.
Chili.
Okay, keep going. Red chili, yes, nice and
Gonna make
spicy.
it spicy, yeah, as we like. Shallot, parsley.
Okay, here we go. Olive oil.
Fresh olive oil.
Yeah, keep toasting. Yes,
Nice, looking good, yeah?
and yeah, of course, fresh basil with the tomato.
What is doing with the wine? Just gonna drink it?
He's enjoying himself.
Yeah? Good, good.
Yeah.
Good, yeah.
Let's see on the pasta.
Why is moving those?
That's correct. It's removing the pasta. No.
Wow, the tomato paste?
Tomato, no, my friend.
Was not need.
Okay, the pasta is cooked perfectly. Well done.
Al dente, as we like.
Yes.
Olive
well
oil on
done.
top, yeah, yeah.
Wow.
Almost perfect. I
He has
can
a
say
good end.
almost perfect. The
I
tomato
would prefer grated parmesan,
and
fresh grated
yeah,
parmesan.
tomato paste, you know, you could even avoid it, yeah?
But you know what? That's amore.